Hey YouTube, Fletcher 3. Got a 2022 NFL Mosaic blaster box to break. Got 6 cards per pack, 6 packs. So divisional round this week. Hoping for an upset from my Giants, but we'll see what happens. I think it's going to be a good game. So NFC East rivals, so should be a good one. Looking for Kenny Pickett or Brock Purdy. So some top QBs. So see what we can get. We got Drew Brees, Harold Landry. We got a Malik Willis NFL debut, Zeke, Jordan Davis rookie, and a Jonathan Taylor, national pride for the Colts. Eckler, Fletcher Cox. There we go, Lawrence Taylor, AJ Terrell, Montgomery, and another Jonathan Taylor bang insert. We got Mike Evans, Callaway, Jamar Chase, USA, Jeffrey Simmons, nice Christian Watson rookie, and Rodrigo Green Mosaic. I remember him on Hard Knocks. All right, 3 more packs. We got Jonathan Allen, James Cook, Winston, Laviska Shenault, Justin Fields, and Debo Samuel Green bang insert. All right, 2 more packs. Got another green, Jalen Hurts, Eric Dickerson, Lamar Jackson, Tyler Algier. Oh, is that a honeycomb? Michael Carter for the Jets. That's the honeycomb. So those are pretty short printed. Get a sleeve real quick. So Michael Carter for the Jets, honeycomb. Wish that was a rookie, but still pretty nice. Cortland Sutton. All right, we got a silver Mosaic Lockett, Dalvin Cook, Valdez Scantling. We got a Tom Brady MVP. Laramie Tunsil, and a Brett Favre Hall of Fame. Alright, so not too bad. Some rookies and stuff, inserts, and Michael Carter honeycomb short print. So thanks for watching, and peace.